In today's video, I'm going to take you on a mini life makeover journey where we do one thing every day for 7 days. This is week 2 of the series, and we're talking about wealth this week. Don't worry, no spreadsheets or investing apps. This is all about daily money habits that build awareness, confidence, and long-term change. You don't need to be rich to feel wealthy, just intentional. When you stop ignoring your money, it stops feeling scary and starts to feel like something you own. All it takes is 2 minutes a day. That's it. Come on, let's go. Every day this week, you'll do one little money move that takes just 2 minutes a day. These aren't about making more money. They're about building the mindset and the awareness that leads to wealth over time. Because real wealth starts with being intentional. Choose one of these 2-minute money habits each day, rotate them or repeat your favorites, or come up with your own. Number 1, list everything that you spent money on yesterday. Even the small stuff, no judgment. But what did you notice? Did you actually need that purchase? Was that purchase necessary? What surprised you about it? Number 2, the next time you make a purchase, pause for a moment and think, is this purchase necessary? Is there a better way to use this money possibly? You'll be shocked how powerful this pause can be. This simple pause trains your brain to be intentional. Number 3, look over your subscriptions that you pay for. Is there anything that you could cancel that doesn't provide value to you anymore? Even canceling a $10 item, that adds up in the end. Number 4, for 2 minutes, write or say out loud, I am grateful that I could afford blank. Write out, what are you grateful for? Fill in the blank with 3 things from this week. What are you fortunate enough to be able to afford? Write those out. I truly believe that gratitude shifts your energy around money. Number 5, take 2 minutes to visualize your rich life. Now, I'm not talking about mansions and yachts, but if you were out of debt and you were debt-free and you had all that extra money back again, what would you do with it? Or if you had a side hustle every night and you were making extra money, what would you do with that money? Write it down. Be specific. Number 6, set one micro goal for the week. This could look like maybe a no-spend weekend challenge, or I'm going to check my bank account every single morning. Or maybe you could put $5 in your checking account every day for 7 days. Write it down or say it out loud. Then it makes it real. Number 7, think back on when you made a smart money move. Big or small, doesn't matter. Celebrate it. Write it down, document it. You're more financially savvy than you think. A quick little tip is you might want to write this out on a piece of paper or even a journal. Track all your activities and write down how you were feeling at that time. I think when you look back at this at the end of the week, you'll be pleasantly surprised. Wealth isn't built overnight, but awareness and intention, that's where it starts. So that's it. All it takes is 2 minutes a day for 7 days. Comment below what you learned this week about your finances or yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more fun. And I will see you all next week for week 3 when we talk about confidence. And don't forget to check my pinned comment, because that's where I'm going to list all the things that I've done this week too, because I'm doing this right along with you.